Hey, what's up everybody? It's KB here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys virtual machine for Android phones. Yes, just like we use VirtualBox or VMware on our Windows, Mac or Linux computer. So yeah, there is a actual virtual machine for Android phones too. So let's begin. So this is called Limbo. Okay, this is actually a open source project, but now they also have their own website called Virtual Machinery, which is going to be more useful than the GitHub page. But I will put link in the description for the official GitHub page for the Limbo 2. It is a open source project, but it will be more useful if you visit the site, because you will find tutorials, you will find how to set up the things in Limbo, and you will find some download links for the different distros, and you'll find download link for the Limbo itself too. So this is the homepage. From here you can go to downloads to download the Limbo, and you can go to tutorials for the tutorials, operating system for the some working operating systems, and it will give you information and everything. Okay, so first of all, we need to download the application itself. So go to downloads and just scroll down, and you will see lots of download links, and actually many types of the same application. Okay, so we have the Limbo emulator for Intel or AMD emulation. Okay, and we have the ARM if you want to install like Windows 10 ARM, let's say, on your virtual machine. You will need to download the Limbo ARM. Okay, so on, everything is explained there. But if you want to install like Ubuntu, let's say the real x86 Ubuntu or Windows on your virtual machine, then download the x86. Okay, and you can try the other ones too. You know, all of these Limbos with different names are for the different operating systems. So what do you want to install? Just install that type of application. So I want to install, let's say I want to install x86 operating system, like Linux x86, Windows, something like that. So the best bet is to use Limbo x86, the first one at the top. Okay, I have it already downloaded, and if you go to the website, you can find lots of tutorials and everything you need to know about the Limbo and how to use and everything. Okay, I will put link in the description. You can go here and you can download the Limbo and learn more about the Limbo. I have downloaded it already. I have the x86 one, so I can show you guys some Windows boot up, some x86 Linux boot up, even some Android x86. Yeah. Okay, so I have set up some Linux and Windows virtual machine actually, and to be honest, I can only show you guys the boot screen or first few of the initial setup pages. I can't boot to the system itself because my phone is really bad, and you know, if you really want to do emulation inside Android, you will need a good Android phone, high-end device, like a really good one. Okay, my phone is Samsung A72, and that phone is like really slow for heavy gaming and for emulation too. But the good thing is that now you know that there is a virtual machine for Android too, so you can try out the different operating systems. Okay, so I'm gonna boot up the Linux actually, just to show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna run Linux, and this is a light version of the Ubuntu called Lubuntu, and you can see this is the grub loader, and I'm gonna boot it up, and I'm gonna use the keyboard to hit enter so we can boot faster. And we're gonna have to wait a little while because, as I said, my phone is really slow, so it's gonna take some time. And yeah, till then I'm just gonna have some water. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I'll let you know guys when it's booting. Okay, I just want to show you guys the boot screen, because even to get to the boot screen on my phone, it takes around 2 to 3 and 5 minutes. So it's really sad that I have a bad phone. Yeah. All right. Anytime now, it's been around 3 minutes, and anytime now it's gonna boot. Okay. Just you wait. You're gonna see the glorious Linux. Oh, okay. It is booted. Okay. I was about to say some big things. So you can see. So this is Lubuntu, the light version of the Ubuntu. Okay. Official distro. This one is also officially distributed by whoever made the Ubuntu. Okay. This is called Lubuntu. Okay, it went black again, so it is trying to boot to the what do you call it, desktop environment, and it's going to take another 10 to 15 minutes on my phone. As I said, my phone is really slow. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the other boot ups, let's say. Okay, let's try the other boot up. I have actually downloaded a Windows 10 ISO file, so I'm just going to change the ISO file here, and I'm gonna try to boot the Windows 10, and it is like almost 6 GB of file. I don't know if my phone can handle this, but I'm gonna try this anyway. At least we will be able to see that it works. Okay. So let's try. I don't know. I'm afraid booting from CD DVD. Okay. Wow. Hello. You saw that, right? Okay. We're just gonna have to wait. Yeah, we saw the Windows 10 logo, so it's gonna take some time to boot up to the setup page, so let's just wait. All right, I waited around 10 minutes, and after that I got this error, and I believe my phone is too slow for this. I need more powerful CPU, and I need to set more RAM and everything. So yeah, I'm pretty sad, but you know what's up. It works. Okay, my phone tried his best to boot the Windows 10. I'm gonna show you guys the boot screen, that logo, Windows 10 logo, one more time. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go here and run it, and just don't blink your eyes. Okay, don't. Yeah, you say that. So yeah, it's actually, you know, I wish I had a powerful phone. It's usable. Okay, I know that now it's not gonna boot because I need to set up more RAM. Actually, I need a better phone. That's all. So I'm gonna show you guys booting a Android inside Android. I'm gonna boot Android x86 actually. Yeah. So you can see I have been playing around with this virtual machine a lot. I have Android, lots of ISO files. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the Android x86 boot up. Okay, and I'm gonna run it, and there you go. Yep. Easy. Okay, I'm gonna actually do that. Use my keyboard, hit enter, and it will run a live CD of Android x86. Okay, so this is the Limbo x86, which means I can only use x86 ISO files. Any like Windows, Linux, Android, whatever x86 operating system you have, ISO file you have, you can run it. And you can see detecting Android x86 found at dev something something. So this is how the Android x86 runs actually. Yeah, again, I have to wait a very long time to see any progress actually. So you can see everything is, yeah, very good. So I have Windows XP. I tried to install Windows XP. I believe that my phone isn't that powerful to boot any of the operating system actually. Maybe oh man, I should have downloaded the React OS. That OS is also lightweight. I think my phone can run that, but let me show you this. This is a Windows XP. I can see the Windows setup, and it's gonna load up the everything. You can see at the bottom, it's loading up system recovery and everything. So yeah, still nothing, no progress. You know, my phone cries a lot when I use this, but now, you know, as I said, now you have the information, you have the knowledge that there is a virtual machine for Android too. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Everything is like, the settings, like board settings, CPU, GPU, everything. You'll find tutorial on official website. I will put link in the description. From there you can learn how to use Limbo. Plus you can download the Limbo from there. Okay, it's official site. So it's actually very easy to use. Yeah, if you have a powerful phone, I mean, you can run some Windows OS too. Okay, so that's it. This wasn't a tutorial, but as I said, everything is very easy. I might do a tutorial on this too, like installing a Windows 10 or maybe Windows 11 on Android using Limbo. So I might do a tutorial, but I'll have to do something like I might do it on a Android emulator or WSA for Windows, because Android emulators are faster than my phone. Yeah, my phone is that slow. So if it works, yeah, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this too, the proper tutorial. This is just for the information, and I gave you the demo that everything is working. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will put link in the description for the official website. From there you can download this and also learn more about this. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.